Hey everybody, today we are going to learn how to manually back up your WordPress website without any plugins through cPanel. So let's get started. So to back up the files, first log in to your cPanel account where your website is hosted, and then navigate to File Manager. Now here is WordPress website folder, and just open the WordPress installation. So here are all the files. Hold Shift and click the first file, and then scroll down while holding Shift and click the last file. So we have selected all the files. Now simply right click and hit compress. We need it as a zip archive, and now you can define the path where the backup will be created. So let me rename this as backup.zip so that we can find it easily, and just simply hit compress file. Based upon the size of your website, it will take time. So now it's done. Let me close it, and here is the backup zip file. Just simply right click and download the file. So now we have made the files backup. So let's proceed with making the backup of our database. Navigate to phpMyAdmin under databases and open it. You can see that I have only one database under phpMyAdmin. It is because I have only one installation of WordPress on my server. However, in your case, you might have a lot of databases. To check your database name, the best way is to edit your WordPress config file, which is this one, under your WordPress website folder. Just simply scroll it and you can see your WordPress database username like this one. So once you confirm your WordPress database name, it is easy to export that file. So let me export my files. Just go back and here click the export option, and export method select as quick one, and make sure the format is SQL, and just hit go. Now it will automatically download your WordPress database file, and that's it. If anything goes wrong in future, you will be able to reset by uploading your WordPress backup files. So that's it guys. If you find this tutorial useful, then don't forget to hit that like button, and also do subscribe and get notified for upcoming WordPress tutorials just like this one. Till then, I will catch you up in the next video. Goodbye, peace.